Do you have a surround sound system at home but wish you could take it on the road with you? Well, LG have come to the party with the Tone Free T90, their new wireless earbuds with sensational sound plus innovation that sets it apart from the rest. You may already know and love Dolby Atmos from cinemas and sound bars, but with the world's first Dolby Atmos wireless earbuds with Dolby head tracking, you can take surround sound with you. When streaming movies, TV or music, the T90s let you turn your head to make the sound move with you, making you the center of action. The T90s come equipped with all new drivers made of one of the thinnest and strongest materials in the world, graphene. Higher strength means higher volume, also reducing vibrations for a more accurate sound. Not only that, but LG has upped the drivers from 8mm to 11mm, meaning more bass in the same comfortable fit. And if people around you are ignoring the quiet car sign on the train, just turn on active noise cancellation and listen in privacy. And if you're worried about cutting yourself off too much, multi-point Bluetooth pairing lets you connect to 2 devices simultaneously. So whenever you're watching a video on your tablet and a phone call comes in, your earbuds will automatically take the call and then switch back to your tablet when you hang up. Ever wanted to connect your earbuds to an older device that doesn't have Bluetooth? Well, the LG T90s come with a charging case that also acts as a wireless Bluetooth dongle for any device with an aux headphone jack. You can then enjoy wireless convenience and brilliant surround sound from treadmills, computers, and even aeroplane seats for the ultimate in-flight entertainment experience. The beauty of wireless earbuds is that you can wear them wherever you want, wherever you are. But this also means that they can host bacteria, and you don't want to carry that around. LG are way ahead of you. The Tone Free T90s are equipped with a UV nano charging case that kills 99.9% of bacteria after charging for only 10 minutes. So enjoy all your portable surround sound goodness without worry. LG have got a huge range of great earbuds to suit your needs, so come back and check out the range in store at your local JB or check them out online at jbhifi.com.au.